Trying out a new ERYONE filament today, and I am super stoked for this one. It is the tricolor purple, burnt orange, and blue. And let me tell you, this one has been running awesome so far. I have done a couple small dragons with it, and I just got finished with this guy. This was almost a full day print on the bamboo, and the colors on it are fantastic. This is a crystal dragon, and you can see we've got a full color shift on this guy. And this is a big print that gets us some awesome color change throughout the entire thing. That almost comes out looking like a rainbow filament. And it's a nice and smooth transition of color. Print's perfect, no twists in it or anything like that. But as you can see, the color shift on this is awesome. So if you need a good color shifting filament that can run quick, runs great in the AMS, check this out, the ERYONE tricolor filament.